Hey queens, today we're going to unbox some bundles. It also came with a wig cap I'm getting ready to show you guys. So there are 3 bundles, 2 18 inches, 1 20 inch, and a free part closure. The closure is in the style 18 inches. Here's a look at the closure and the packaging. The hair is in the style Brazilian straight. Here is what the closure is looking like. And like I said, this is supposed to be a free part closure. Here's a look at the length in 18 inches and the texture of the hair. It definitely does feel like human hair. And like I said, it's in the Brazilian straight. Here's a close up on the closure, the front and the back. Now let's get into what the bundles look like. They came in the standard packaging for bundles. So I'm just going to unpackage them and unravel them with you guys. This one I believe is the 18 inch, and it's 2 18 inches and a 20 inch. Here's a look at the thickness of the bundle.